Hey, what's up guys? It's Big D here once again from Big D Films. This is a lot later ride than what we typically do. Happy 4th of July. By the time you see this, it won't be the 4th of July because of how late it is already, but by the time you do see this, it'll probably be the 5th of July. But today, we are going to head out into the Irish Hills, and they're supposed to be doing some fireworks out there. So that's how we celebrate 4th of July. I'm gonna go and see some fireworks. Now, the last time we did something like this was several years ago. And I think we went to Cascade Falls, and I don't remember if I did a video for that or not. And if I did, then it's probably on the original Freedom Cruisers Chapter 21 channel. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna head out to McCourtie Park. That's actually where I shot one of my Road to Discovery videos a few years back. And there's supposed to be some fireworks out there. And if we're lucky, on the way back, we should see fireworks going off all over the place. So it should be pretty cool. So stick around guys, join us for the ride. We're gonna celebrate the 4th of July. Alright guys, starting to get dark on us now. Prime time for fireworks. We have made it to McCourtie Park. And I'm not exactly sure where they're going to set off the fireworks. I think in that general direction, I think. But we're not 100% sure yet. We're just going to hang out and you know, we'll catch some of the show here on the camera for y'all when it gets ready to happen. So we're going to kind of hang out. No, I'm good, dog. Thanks, though. A couple of us have chairs and blankets, kind of lay out, and kind of sit back and enjoy the show. You can kind of hear some of them going off in the distance already. So hopefully, again, on the way back home, we'll see. We even seen a couple on the way in, just kind of going off in the distance. So it was kind of cool. There's a lot of people here, a lot of people. And I know with everything going on in the world today, it's still nice to be able to, you know, see people try to come out and just enjoy something as simple as a fireworks show. So happy 4th of July, everybody, and we'll be back momentarily.
dropped a little grenade in a big tube, and it went up about 10 feet and blew up.
Overall, I think it was a pretty decent show. Trees were kind of in the way for part of those, but I guess I can't complain too much. Still pretty cool. Everybody's gonna try to filter out of here now in a mad dash and mad rush to get out, so we're gonna hang out probably for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna get back on the road, and potentially, and I hope, we might see a few more stragglers, you know, as far as fireworks go, all the way back home. So stick around, guys. We still got the ride back. Well, guys, another day, or another night, and another ride down. I hope you enjoyed it. I know that the camera was having a little trouble focusing at some point, but I still hope I got some stuff in there that will be enjoyable for you guys to watch. Was really kind of bummed out, partially just because I was kind of hoping to see a few more fireworks just kind of going off here and there on the way back, but we really didn't see any of that, so that was kind of a bummer. But overall, the fireworks that they had at the park were pretty nice, and I know that this particular video is kind of short and sweet and to the point, but I hope you enjoyed it after all. It is officially now the 5th of July, is past midnight now, but regardless, happy 4th of July, and I hope everybody enjoyed your 4th of July, because I did. And if you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure you don't miss anything, and thanks for joining me and the club for this fireworks ride. So with that being said, we will catch you down the road. I'm Big D. You've been watching Big D Films.